What is baby food? Is it just a bunch of fruits and vegetables mixed up and put in a jar? Or is there preservatives, sweeteners? Honestly, I don't know. So I'm gonna make some myself. What's up everybody? Today we're gonna be making 2 homemade fruit pouch recipes with our GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. It's a blender and a steamer all in one. We've got our ingredients here. We've got our fruit pouches here. This is gonna be my first attempt. So thank you to GROWNSY for sending this baby food maker and for sponsoring this video. Let's get to it. So first we're gonna unbox the baby food maker from GROWNSY. I have never made baby food before. It always looked like a big challenge, but GROWNSY makes it look easy. The one thing that this baby food maker is good at is steaming your food. You lose a lot of nutrients when you boil all of your fruits and veggies. Nice and simple. Not a lot of parts to put together, just take it out of the bag. Right out of the box is a pretty simple setup. We have our steamer container right here. Whatever you want to steam, you put it in there, close the lid, fill up your water to the line, select the steamer options and go. Once your food is steamed, you put it in the blender option, puree your food, and that's it. It's just 2 easy steps to make some baby food. So for this first recipe, we are not going to use the steamer option. We're just going to go with an easy, simple recipe to start off with. It's a strawberry banana yogurt pouch. We have 1 cup of strawberries, whole banana, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oats, 1/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. So we're just going to add this to our puree option. All of it in one go. Let's see how much we can fit. If we need to do maybe 1 step at a time, we can do that. First, we're going to add the strawberries. Then we're going to add our milk. Then our oats, bananas, and lastly, our Greek yogurt. There we have it. We're going to put on the lid. Turn it on, easy touch screen. And let's see what auto does. Okay, this was just with selecting auto puree. It already looks pretty good. Consistency looks great right off the bat. I just wanted to get a little bit more of that yogurt that was sitting on the walls mixed into it. We're gonna turn this back on and just blend it manually. It's another great thing about this is you can either set it to automatic or blend it as long as you want. Super easy touchscreen, very responsive. I think that's great. We're gonna test this out. Just pops right off and we can change the lids and pour it in. So let's do that. So I just got these pouches on Amazon. They're really easy. You have this kind of Ziploc thing on the bottom. So we're going to open that up and just pour it in. We're just gonna clean up the edges a little bit. And done. We have a strawberry banana, oatmeal, and yogurt fruit pouch ready to go for my little boy. We can freeze it, we can give it to him like this. And of course, Dad needs a little treat as well. Might as well test it and make sure it's not poison. That's really good. Blend it up really well, really nice. And of course, you can keep blending it if you don't like the consistency. It's really easy. Go manual or auto. 10 out of 10 recipe right here. That is great. Super easy. Let's go on to the next recipe and try that out. All right, we are all set up for our next recipe. This one is going to be a blueberry sweet potato pouch. It was super easy just to take this on and off to clean it. It just pops right in, locks into place. For this recipe, we have a cup of blueberries, a whole banana, and 1/2 cup of uncooked sweet potatoes, which we are about to steam right now, and then just a splash of water. So first we are going to cook our uncooked sweet potatoes. We're going to steam it, put in the steamer container right there, dump those in. We're going to put our lid on, locks right there, and we're going to fill this with water up to the line. Just put on the cap. Okay, we're just going to turn this on and hit steam. We're going to try 15 minutes. We'll check back as soon as that's done. just want to give you guys an idea of how soft and perfect these are ready to go. That was super easy. Throw that all in the blender. That looks beautiful. Twist on the cap, and it's as easy as turning it on, and we're going to select auto one more time. That looks awesome already. I'm just gonna pop the lid, check the consistency. I think it's ready. Little chunks of blueberries. I could puree it a little bit more if I wanted to, but I think this is just perfect. Everything is nice and blended. I think he's ready for a pouch, and I think this is gonna be an awesome, delicious recipe. So let's pour this in. We're gonna grab our pouches here. I think another thing to consider here is this is probably going to cost me 60 cents a pouch with all the ingredients I have versus a jar of puree, which might cost you $1.50, $2 per jar. Plus, I know exactly what is going in my pouches. I can make it anytime. It is super easy. You saw it's just 2 easy steps. You steam it, you puree it, and you're ready. We got 4 pouches off of that recipe. Again, this is the sweet potato blueberry banana pouch. I know everything that's going in this. There's no added sugars, added preservatives. This, I can freeze it. I can give it to them right now. 2 recipes got me 6 pouches. I know exactly what's in here. Probably, I would guess 60 cents a pouch versus $1.50, $2 for a jar of puree. It steams it super fast, and you know you're keeping all of that nutrients in there. A lot of time saved instead of boiling it, getting all these pots and pans out. This was super easy. I think this is gonna be my new favorite dad tool for sure with snack time. I highly recommend it. GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. Check it out. Thanks for watching.